Hey friends, if you wish to access Windows 11 administrative tools in File Explorer and more, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It is not very difficult. Rather, I will guide you through the easiest manner. No control panel, nothing. Just search for the word Windows Tools. It is called Windows Tools in Windows 11, not administrative tools. And click on it. And now you can access all the administrative tools, and they have been brought forward separately in the File Explorer. I mean, you don't need to navigate to control panel, system security anyway. You have it all here. So you can simply double click on it and open any tool. Like you can open the Run tool, you can open the Task Manager, you can open the command prompt, you can open anything that you want. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.